Best website design builders that you can use for free. So in this top 5 we'll count down the absolute best web design software to create an awesome looking website, going over the pros and cons of each. Whether you have coding experience or not, we've got you covered. We'll help you to find one that fits your needs. 5 is Squarespace. It started as a weblog web website hosting carrier in 2004. Considering that, then it has modified pretty a piece with functions for net designers that make it a first-rate all-in-one answer, mainly for the ones of you without a coding rebel, and they get quite a few reward for his or her excessive first-rate templates, which might be to be had in extra than a dozen classes, consisting of style, fitness and splendor activities and weddings, eating places, and plenty of others, however, with much less templates than lots of its competition with simply over 100 to pick from. It as viable you can grow to be developing a domain that appears just like others at the net. Additionally, the use of Squarespace in case you are seeking to promote online their e-commerce equipment will assist you to optimize your enterprise with search engine optimization and analytics equipment constructed in to assist get your web page a better rank on seek engines. And you may additionally music how your web page is appearing. Squarespace does now no longer provide a unfastened tier as an alternative. It gives a 14-day unfastened trial, so you may strive it out. Plans begin at 12 according to month if paid yearly, and consists of a custom area for unfastened. Coming in at variety 4 is genuinely distinct websites with comparable names, WordPress.org and WordPress.com. It'll cross over the functions of every and factor out their variations. Let's start with WordPress.org. This one is unfastened, an open supply software program that may be set up for your PC, and it is supposed for internet designers that need to self-host their website online. As an alternative of getting it hosted some other place, it is pretty famous for in-residence layout groups to create websites inclusive of famous groups like Sony, Track, Clorox, the Economic Information website Online, Bloomberg, and the Walt Disney Organization. They have got a big variety of layout templates, which they name topics. At this time they have got greater than 9,500 unfastened topics to pick from to create your website online. In addition, they have greater than 50,000 plugins to assist personalize your website online the manner you need it. Whilst no coding enjoy is wanted to use WordPress.org, it does have a barely better mastering curve than Maximum. With the massive variety of selections you have at your disposal on their website online, you may locate beneficial tutorials so one can train you the way to use it. WordPress.org may be set up on home Windows, Mac and Linux at the turn aspect with WordPress.com rather than your website online being self-hosted. They offer unfastened controlled website hosting, which is financially supported with paid improvements. There is no software program to put in. Walking a changed model from WordPress.org. It is internet primarily based totally and may be utilized in any browser. In at variety 3, Weebly, that is owned via way of means of rectangular, is high quality for the ones of you concerned in e-trade without a coding enjoy to create a professional searching internet site with a web. Keep its drag and drop gear, make it clean to apply whilst constructing your website online whilst missing in design templates with best 63 at closing be counted number. They all professionally designed and function packed. If the use of for e-trade, it consists of a completely included buying cart with steady checkout and stock gear to manipulate your inventory. Different functions consist of apps for Android and iPhone to manipulate your online keep everywhere each time. Unfastened website hosting, filtered product seek, and an entire lot greater. The unfastened plan consists of the fundamentals, however limits your garage to 500 megabytes and does now no longer let you join a custom area until you improve for added functions. The ones ANS begin at $6 consistent with month if billed yearly with a 30-day money. Again, assure we get to our pinnacle here is a few bonus choices that is probably profitable for you. In second place, Wix is our pick for the best web software. It's easy to use and great if you run a small business or beginners without any coding knowledge or web design experience. Wix is rich in features. They currently have more than 500 high-quality templates for you to choose from, which can be used in the editor. Edit website by drag and drop, advanced SEO tools to rank your website higher in search engines with animated scrolling effects and video backgrounds for e-commerce. They are also one of best sites if you are going to create and manage online store for your business if you are on Wix free plan. Bandwidth and storage limit is 500 megabytes with their premium plans start from 14 days per month. If paying annually, you get extra storage. You can add custom domain and access Google Analytics. All plans also include 14-day money-back guarantee if you're not sure satisfied at 100. With inside the pinnacle spot, coming in at primary, Adobe Dreamweaver. It is the pleasant universal net layout software program in case you need to create a definitely specific internet site that doesn't appear like any others at the net with complete customization of every detail that is your pleasant desire. You must have a few primary coding information to apply it, however. Way to there, get entry to code pointers that allow you to examine net requirements like HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and lots of others. Their dynamic state view enhancing permits you to edit and preview your web page in actual time to ensure it appears fantastic on any tool. Here is a short have a take a observe the interface. Presently I've it in code view right here on the pinnacle. To take complete benefit of this system, you will need to exchange it to cut up view. You may regulate the cut up view panels via way of means of shifting the cursor in among and dragging up and down every time you upload or make modifications. With inside the code or textual content right here with inside the backside you may see the modifications with inside the preview above it on the equal time here is a short instance. I will upload a sentence right here then move right all the way down to the code editor and upload it, and as you may see the one's modifications have been made right here with inside the preview to be had for each home Windows and Mac OS. Dreamweaver isn't cheap. On their domestic webpage, they do provide a 7-day loose trial to buy it via way of means of itself. The price is around 21 greenbacks in step with month in case you undergo innovative cloud package deal with Photoshop highest quality seasoned and lots of others protected. It'll set you lower back a whopping 53 greenbacks in step with month, or in case you're a pupil or instructor you may get the Adobe suite of apps, closely discounted for simply $19.99 in step with month. Thank you for looking. In case you plan to create an internet site, with any luck this video helped you out. If it did, provided a thumbs up and proportion with others allow us to recognize with inside the remarks which net layout software program you propose to apply and why. And in case you're new to our channel, subscribe and click on the bell to live updated with our most modern Pinnacle 5s and different tech associated stuff right here.